Oh, look at these fireworks. That scared me. Sorry, it's just freezing cold right now. I'll just leave that on. Alright, leave that. Just shut that. Oops. Whoa! They're everywhere. Oh, and also I actually didn't mean to shut the door. That was by accident. It's fine though. God, I'm cold. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where did that come from? Oh, there goes one. Sorry, I knew that was going to be a loud one. This is cool. Whoa, there goes a bunch. Yay, look at this. Oh god. One to the one to the three. What do you know? I think they look better in this view, in my personal opinion. All this view, all this view, all this view, all this view, all this view. Whoa! Let go. Let go. A little. Not really a little, right? Whoa! I saw that one. It's hard to keep track of all of these. Whee! I'm not even cold. I'm actually just jogging for some random reason. Although I actually am cold. Do 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 do. That fireworks lighting up the sky. I made that up myself. Just shut up. What? Trick shot. There's nothing there. What? What was that? Did you hear it? There goes some bad boys. Kind of everywhere. Oh, there goes more. Oh, you can actually see it good there. Oh, I saw one. It's like right over there. Keep going. Sorry, that was loud. Oh. Ugh, I saw that coming. This is just a great sight to see. Whee! Sorry, just like dancing at this moment. Was this really? I'm like, oh god. Sorry, I knew that was coming. That was much louder for me than you. Let's get back in now. And never do that again. Right. You look at that while I find my way in. What? You looking at it? Oh, I heard that really weird screaming again. Right. It's about time. Yay, fireworks! Goodbye.